Hello guys, welcome to Market Analysis channel. I will be doing analysis on Cardano. Cardano show us a very supportive formation, and this formation has been good because it encourages us to continue holding the coin, and it's even update us to add more to it, which will continue its rally. The present situation now in Cardano is that it's trading around the support zone. Cardano find its way from point 3. That was the last resistance it hit on its way down. Sellers take charge, drive it down to the 50-day average. The buyers push back a little, but the sellers still gain an upper hand, and they finally bring it down to a very low price on the 50 and 200-day moving average. Why Cardano got to the 200-day moving average? The buyers wake up from their slumber, they stop the downward correction, and they put the market in sideways market. And they put Cardano in sideways market. And it's as it was on sideways, it's now bouncing off the support zone. It first tested it once, it tested it twice, and now tries again. It's now testing it the fourth time. And the more it tested this zone, the more validity is confirming that the support is holding. Three things is happening around there. It has tested the support zone several times. That's indication one. Number two, it's on the 200-day moving average. Remember, the 200-day moving average is always the floor for the buyers. So when price drop to that levels, they don't want it to go beyond it, because if you finally go beyond that, things are finally changed and it's going to get out of hand. But it's an area where buyers used to like add more to their positions, where buyers will like wake up from their sleep, they put in pressure on sellers and they fight back from there. No, buyers always want price to fall below the 200-day moving average. And the final point is that when the price was trading on this area, it's now having a volume below average volume. Anytime price is on support zone and volume continue to dry up, it's an indication that things is going to change, because volume is no more in the market. It's as if attention has dried up and very few people are watching it. And when no one is when no one is watching what's on board, that's when professional traders come in and change the direction of the trend, because they don't like to do that while a lot of traders are watching, or when the crypto is on much traders radar. Because why they don't like doing that is that when they do it, when price changes, it's always costlier to them, and it doesn't allow them to get in at a very reasonable price. So they like to come into their trade when attention has been taken away, instead of coming in when everyone is on board. As the price is bouncing off this area, we will expect it to rise to the point 3, which is the uptrend resume area. And once it gets to this place, we'll watch it very closely. The action on this area will determine if we are in a long rally on Cardano. Why I suggested that is this: when you look at the big picture, you can see when the rally started, it first have a first leg to point 1, then sellers took it down to point 2. From there, it also had another leg upward to point 3, before it's now finally having this long time support zone. And this long time support zone is going to have a very drastic effect. Let me show you the effect. When it finally kick off from here, its long time resistance zone, it's now going to be point 3. Sorry, it's now going to be number 3. That's our target point on Cardano. Why do we choose this target? That's the highest point Cardano has ever reached before the bear market finally sets in, that send it downward for a very long time. And as it has bottom, it has started a rally from this point. It's also had another low from point 2. This is another low at point 3. When you look at this now, you see that the price movement activity has changed. It has been having higher high, higher low. Point 1 is higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So the next one is another higher high again. So this is the best time to hold this coin, because it's now showing an entry zone, because it's a support, and that's an entry zone for traders to come in, which will finally confirm a low risk entry and a high profit for whoever follow the price movement and its activity. Guys, Let me show you something. Look at this chart. This is our target point at point 3, our previous resistance zone. Okay, I want to appreciate you guys that you are subscribing to the channel. Your subscription encourage me to post more beautiful analysis on your favorite cryptocurrencies. If this is your first time of watching or you haven't subscribed, I would like you to hit the subscription button and also like the video. You can share with your friends and click the bell button in case I upload any analysis on your favorite cryptocurrency pair. You can always receive a notification. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate. Bye. See you in the next analysis.